You're going up and down onto your feet, don't touch the ground. Is it technique? Is it electric? Is it magic? Or is it tragic? Up and down, you turn me up and down until my body's flying high. Is it technique? Is it erotic? Is it magic? Or is it tragic?
Make me feel like a house machine. Make me feel like a house machine. Make me feel.
Surprise, it's me. Yeah, I'm Hollywood, the down MC. I'm up on the mic, doing what you like. I'm just rocking to the beat in the early light. Sit back, whack, jam and relax and watch the master rock from front to back. And let me tell you one thing I don't like, my friend. Discrimination, I can't stand.
I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no.
Well, at the age of 9, I started to rhyme, and at the age of 10, I was rocking again. As I grew up and as I got old, I started to move my hips and bend my shoulders, and now I'm rocking all over the nation, and that is my new occupation. I tried to get a job, but didn't manage, yo, and I can't stand it.
I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. Stand it no more, no. It's
But I'm back, not the whack, but jam and attack. I keep the beat full, rocking from the front to back. Hollywood on the mic, I got the ladies uptight. Homeboys in the house, yo. They might just start up some shit to make everything legit. For anybody in the house who don't like it, fuck it, word. I'm on the go. I bust around and let it flow. Keep you moving to the beat. Start the show.
I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no. I can't stand it no more, no.
Respect. That's what you find. The leader of the show. The house is mine. I don't curse, fight, alright when I write, but when I rock up on the mic and party, people get hype. I got my crew, busting the beats in your face, and I'm the dope jam, running this place. I be swinging all across the land. My damn champs from the Buffalo stand.
I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no. I can't stand it no more, no, no, no.
Have you forgotten that once we were brought here, we were robbed of our name, robbed of our language, we lost our religion, our culture, our God. Many of us, by the way we act, even lost our minds.
This ain't what you think it is. This ain't what you think it is. This ain't what you think it is. This ain't what you think it is.
No sense. They're telling us what to do, what to say, and what we can play. Well, we're rap artists, and we say no way. We're rated X on the mic, and we say what we like. 'Cause in the land of the free, we should have that right. So sorry, Nick and friends, that it must be this way. But we will jam, not be banned in the.
What you say? Come on.
Girls, we wanna have fun. You know that girls just wanna have fun. Yo, we will jam, not be banned in the USA. Jam, 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 jam,
This ain't what you think it is. 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 This ain't what you think it is.
freedom of expression, that's what we perceive. Free to do what we do, that's what we're led to believe. Then comes another, he tells us that we're wrong. Tell us what we can say in our hip-hop song. But it's our culture, part of our past and our future. Try to take that away and think we won't dispute you, but you're wrong. 'Cause we got something to say. We want to jam, not be banned in the USA. Girls, we wanna have fun. You know that girls just wanna have fun. Yo, we will jam, not be banned in the USA.
Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on.
Talk to the people, yeah, let's do this. Jump on the house train, let's move this. Get wise, got legalized. Let the public open their eyes. Pump up the pressure, keep the bass flowing. Going to the top spot, we're sowing the seeds of oneness. To this station, turn this whole damn house into a nation.
Check on you.
Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on.
Rockin', the juice is on solo. I'm the Danny man and I'm good to go. You can't miss me, you can't diss me. I can't help it if girls wanna kiss me. Kick it, yes, 1, 2, I'm on show. Heed the message, cause I said so. Legislate, take this to the wand. Let the dance go on.
Check on you. Check on you. Check on you. Check on you.
What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on. Hey. What you say? Come on.
Another night, one last night. We are beyond 24 home runs, 69 on the season. Johnny Bench hitting 270, 26 home runs, 87 runs batted in. Strom ready and delivers. Bench swings, throws it to deep left center field. AG back on the warning track.
nice to be real. You are too nice to be real. You are positive. You are too nice. You are positive. You are too nice to be real. Positive. You are positive. You are too nice. You are positive. You are too nice to be real. Positive. You are too nice to be real. Too nice.
Oh, I bet you be good fuck.
Positive. You are too nice to be real. Too nice.
Oh, I bet you be good fuck.
Positive.
Oh, I bet you be good fuck. Oh, I bet you be good fuck. Oh, I bet you be good fuck. Oh, I bet you be good fuck.
You are too nice to be real. Too nice.
Oh, I bet you be good fuck.
Positive. You are too nice to be real. Too nice.
Oh, I bet you be good fuck.
Positive. You are
On the steamy night alone, I wait for you. Cold winter morning alone, and I cry for you. And when you finally call, you cloak your moves in the shadows. Those days and nights I was good to you. They must not have meant very much to you. The night I needed you the most, my cries fell on deaf ears. And I'm running so hard to find it, and I'm running so fast. And I'm telling you now to leave me, our romance cannot last. And if someday I need to see you, I'll come back from the past. I'll come back and find you, I'll never leave you now. Those days and nights I was good to you. you the most. My cries fell on deaf ears. Now I don't want to play games with you, but I don't know what to say to you. The digits change so slowly now. I'm going it alone, and I'm running so hard to find it, and I'm running so fast, and I'm telling you now to leave me. Our romance cannot last, and if someday I need to see you, I'll come back from the past. I'll come back to find you. I'll never leave you now.
This beat is smoking like a you wanna cuff it, cause we gonna rough it up like you never ever had it done to you before. Making a baseline run right through. Beware because we coming out to you live. It's what you receiving. Your butt is ready, so we are achieving the motive to dance. We getting the boys, leaving out the romance. Working with your posse in a buffalo stance. Releasing the juice that makes you feel dizzy. Now what you waiting for to get busy? Now is the chance that you taking while listening to the music we making over and on and on and on. Rock it to the beat, to the break of dawn. You gonna like it, boy, you gonna fight it. I'm on the MIC, so don't fight it. What's going on? What you waiting for? You got to move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. You got to move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. Next to me, 'cause I want it. Hey, baby, are you crazy? Never let the music make you feel lazy. Get on the dance floor, feeling that backbeat. You never had it so good, you never had it so sweet. Raise your hands up in the air, shake your derriere like you just don't care. Rock and roll and doing it steady. I do believe y'all are ready to move that body. Move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. You got to move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. Next to me, 'cause I want it. What's going on? You got to move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. You got to move that body, baby. Move that body, baby. Move that body next to me. Next to me, 'cause I want it.
Let's jam. Hear that music bumping as you hit the floor. Feel the funk and feel the groove just a little more. Get the rhythm, get the groove, make that body sweat and move. Get the rhythm, get the groove, make that body sweat and move. Groove on, let's jam the house. Move on, let's jam the house. Groove on, let's jam the house. Move on, let's jam the house. Feel the bass and feel the beat. Work that body, move your feet. Feel the groove and feel the funk.
funk. Go ahead and make it jump. Feel the beat and feel the beat. Make it happen nice and sweet. Feel the groove and feel the funk. Go ahead and make it jump. Move on. Let's jam the house. Move on. Let's jam the house. Groove on. Let's jam the house. Move on. Let's jam the house. Groove on. How, move on. How, groove on. How, move on. How. Hear the music bumping as you hit the floor. Feel the funk and feel the groove just a little more. Get the rhythm, get the groove, make that body sweat and move. Get the rhythm, get the groove, make that body sweat and move. Groove on. How, move on. How, groove on. How, move on. How.
Jump a little higher, let it roll like a Mack truck tire. Attack the dance floor like a bulldozer. Those who came to stand move over, cause I'm ready to rock the show. So put your body in cruise control. So don't stand and stare, but kick your legs in the air. A little higher, let it roll like a Mack truck tire. Attack the dance floor like a bulldozer. Those who came to stand move over, cause I'm ready to rock the show. So put your body in cruise control. So don't stand and stare, but kick your legs in the air. Hopping up and down, it's a body kind of now. You can take it, have a motion. Moving up and down, moving up and down. It's a body kind of motion. Take it, have a motion. Moving up and down. I do get hype, get on the floor and burn like fire. And when I say kick, you're like fire. Break your waist, cause the music's got taste. Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. Ammunition ready for war. A new dance, what I got is score. So jump. Moving down, somebody had a motion. Moving up and down, moving up and down. Somebody had a motion. Moving up and down. Adamite's the man that rules the mic. And when I grab the mic, I do get hype. Get on the floor and burn like fire. And when I say kick, you're like tire. Break your waist, cause the music's got taste. Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. Ammunition ready for war. A new dance, what I got in store. So jump.
the dance floor like a bulldozer. Those who came to stand, move over, cause I'm ready to rock the show. So put your body in cruise control. So don't stand and stare, but kick your legs in the air.